Hello everyone, this is Taruna Kanani, founder and president of KB Tax Revisor CPAs. Today I'm back with another tax tip video, and today we're going to talk about a very interesting topic, which is health insurance and any medical related expense reimbursement. Now, as a business owner, you must want to maximize the deduction that relates to health insurance as well as the medical reimbursement. And you must be curious, what's the best way to do this and what are the alternatives available? So let's talk about health premium insurance and medical expense reimbursement. So now, see, if you are the business owner, when it comes to health care premium insurance, as a business owner, you can always write off 100%. There's no doubt in that. If it's structured correctly and if it meets the compliance requirement, provided it's not a passive activity. So few things to keep in mind. Another thing, it doesn't matter whether it's LLC or S corporation, business can always pay for it and claim 100% deduction and write off as a business expenses. However, if you do not own a business and if you are a W-2 earner and if you pay out of your own pocket expense, it's not deductible. Same with medical expenses. General rule of thumb is that you can itemize these expenses as long as it exceeds 7.5% of your AGI. What does that mean? Meaning, for example, let's say if you earning about $100,000 and 7.5% of that 100,000 is 7,500. So as long as your total expense is exceeding that 7,500, only the portion that exceeds 7,500 will be deductible as an itemized deduction on your 1040. Now, so this is if you have a day job, right? If you have a day job, you can benefit to some extent if you can, if you have an option to utilize FSA and HSA. And give me a few seconds, I'll go in further details to see like how it can help you. But if you are a business owner, you do have a couple of different options. So let's start with FSA. FSA is a flexible spending account. You can set it up to pay certain out-of-pocket medical related expenses and contribute up to $27.50 for 2021, provided your employer gives an option to contribute into FSA. The way you utilize is you use it or lose it if you do not have sufficient receipts, and if you do not submit receipts by December 2021, you lose it. But if you have a small business and your employer provides this as an option, your company can always reimburse for it and you can get 100% deduction. And at the same time, it's tax-free, right? So another option that we want to consider is HSA, and HSA is available regardless whether you are a W-2 earner or if you are a small business owner. The beauty is that it's tax-free. You can contribute up to $3,600 if you're an individual and $7,200 if you're married. If you have a small business, company may offer HSA and company can contribute on your behalf and company can deduct 100% of it. The additional benefit that HSA provides you is that you can invest a fund held in HSA if you do not utilize for medical expense in any other investments like a real estate property, cryptocurrency that's really hot right now. There are certain providers who gives you this kind of options, and the fund within HSA, you'd never lose it. It can continue grow if you are earning, if you're investing in some meaningful vehicles, it just grows and comes out tax-free. Of course, for the medical reason, and there is no age restrictions associated with this withdrawal. The third option that I want to discuss is HRA. HRA is a health reimbursement arrangement. If you have a small business, it also allows small employers to set aside a fixed amount of money each month that employees can use to purchase individual health insurance, or they can also use it for medical expense. Again, it's tax-free, and to utilize this structure, you need to have a business. Now, if you are married or not, the structure will be different that we can discuss. It's different from the compliance point of view. Since we are heading into New Year, I think this is the perfect time that you should take some time, design the plan that meets your requirement, and at the same time, receive the maximum benefit possible. You are spending money anyways, right? But if you structure it in the right way, considering your business structure, you will get the maximum benefits and get the write-offs. And I also suggest working with a professional to evaluate a couple of different options, what works out best in your situation and how you can benefit maximum. If any question, please feel free to reach out to us or you can direct message us here. Thank you.